Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel video tutorial we will learn about the blade template. So blade template is a little bit big topic, so we will break this complete topic in the two part. This is the basics of the blade template, and in the next video we will learn about the advanced thing in the blade template, right? So in this video we will see what is the blade template, expression of its and conditions like if conditions, if else condition, else if conditions and all, and then for and Foreach loop. And after that I will ask you an interview question, and you can attempt this question in the comment box if you want, and if you don't want, that's okay, but please read about this interview question if you don't know about that, right? Yep. So the question is what is the blade template? So this is the template engine in the Laravel that convert plain text to the PHP code, right? And why it do that? The reason is because there is some PHP tags and loops and conditions and functions. They are little bit difficult to write, right? So that blade templates provide the easy way to use these things. Like when I use the for each loop and the if conditions, I can use the @ right? And if I just want to echo something, then I can just use the double curly braces. So let's say in the PHP tag, if I just want to echo something, then I have to just write this kind of code, right? And then and in the blade template I can just simply use double curly braces and $i, and this is pretty simple, and this is, you can say, that a little bit faster to type also, right? Yes, one more thing, with the help of blade template you can make the common header and footer also, right? And make the common style also. And if you just want to load some JavaScript file in the common area, then this is also possible. In the upcoming videos we will learn everything, don't worry. So now in this video let's see that how we can just make the conditions and loops in this blade template, right? And we will see the expressions also. So let's look out the expression first of all, but for that I need at least two things. One is a view and second one is a controller. So I am just going to make a controller first of all, right? So let's make it clear and just write here PHP artisan make controller and controller name. Let's say my controller name is users controller. Hit the enter. Now you can find this controller inside the app http controllers and here, and I'm just going to make a function here, and this function can be view load, and here I will return a view. I did not make a view yet. When I will make, then I will put a name here, right? Now the second thing, let's make a view. So for that let's go to the resources, views, and let's make a file users.blade.php. and keep in mind that in a normal file like users.php you cannot write the code in the blade templating way. You must have to put the blade.php extension if you just want to use templating engine code, right? And expressions. So here just put here h1 tag and just close it, and we can write here users age page, right? Then from here let's just simply put here users, right? And now let's jump on the web.php and define a route for it. Let's make a route, but before that we have to import the controller. So just simply use here use app http, then we can use the controllers, then let's use the users, oh my god, users controller, right? And now use this user controller in a routing get method. as in second parameter. First parameter will be our path, or you can say that the URL. And the second parameter, let's use an array, then put here user class, and the second key will be the function name. So our function name will be view, function name is view load, right? Let me verify this function name. That's okay. So now let's see on a user's route what we are actually getting here. That's great. So now how we can use the blade template? For that you can just use the double curly braces, and if you write something here, it will just work like a PHP code. So let's say I just put here 10 plus 10, right? And the answer will be the 20 here. You can see that, right? And even you can use this thing in the any tag like h1 tag or without tag, wherever you want, right? You can multiply it, anything. And in these things we can also use actually the PHP functions also. So let's see, I just want to pass some data from here, like just put here users, key users, and users can be like they should be like of array, like Anil and Sam and Peter and all, right? And now let's try to use the methods also here. Like I want to use the count method. The count method, let's put here users, right? This is the users array key. Now let's see that we got a 3 because there is a 3 users. So we can also use the PHP functions here, right? So you got that. Now I will show you that how we can just simply put here the if else condition and all. So let's just put here the user and only single name here for a moment, like Anil, right? And here let's see that how we can use the condition. So you just need to put here @if dollar user. There is no users for a moment, so we can just remove it, right? So this is the users. So let me make it a sorry, this is the user. So let me make it user equal to Anil. Then it can just show a h3 tag like hi dollar user, right? So now what I can see here, okay, I have to just close this @if also. So just put here @and if, and we got here hi Anil, right? So let's make the another condition also. So let's say now you just want check that if we have some other user also, so that we can check here, else if Sam is here, then we can just put here hello Sam, and from here let's try to put here pass the user as in Sam. We got an hello Sam also. So at the last, so let's say no condition is actually matched, then you can simply put here else, right? And in the else you can just put here all the tags and put here like unknown hello, or you can put here unknown user, right? And if we put here some other name like Peter, so this is a totally different name, so it will just tell us unknown user. So that way we can also use the condition. So now let's see how we can use the for loop, and just put here $for $i let's say equal to 10, then $i less than 10, then $i plus plus, right? and we don't need these curly brackets here, and just write here and 4, right? And just simply put here in a span, or let's take some header tag so that you can watch it clearly, right? h4, and just simply write here $I. So we will got here, we will just got the count from let me check, was the wrong, because they just shown me the small text. Yeah, because I forgot to close the h1 tag. We got a 0 to 9 counting. This should be the possible, right? So now let's see that how we can use the for each loop. For that I need some little bit dynamic data, so I'm just going to put here data, and here I will put some name, going to put some name like Anil, Peter, Loki, then Bruce. They are fair enough, and here I can just simply pass here $data. Now this is my users, so I'm just going to make it I will just resolve these array in a single loop, right? So in a with the for each loop, right? So just put here for each, but with the for each you can just put the enter here and it will just make a syntax also. But if you don't want that, then you can do it also from the your manual way. So just put here for each $user. I think there should be the users, right? Because there is a lots of user now. So let's make it users as $user, right? And just put here and for each. And what we can just write here, let's take h1 tag, close it, and simply put here $user. And now you will see your all users here, like Anil, Peter, Loki, and Tony, and all. So thanks for watching this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. But yeah, that's time to interview question. So my interview question is that here we are just putting the code in a Blade template. So can we write here PHP core PHP code here, like normal PHP text like this, right? Is it possible or not? This is my interview question, and thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.